Good morning again, my friends. I have a sticky fan. Everybody knows the small fans. Let's put it on. I think everybody's have this problem with this Chinese fans. If you switch it on here, doesn't want to go. The blade, it's stuck. Let me just get this camera off here, then you can see this fan has a mechanism in here. If you turn it like this, it switches off automatically. I have to put it upside down. It switches on. Look at the fan. Look. Let's put it on a higher. Look what's happening with that fan. So it is the bearings. It's like the bushes. It's no bearings. Like the bushes is sticky. So let's go fix it and put some oil on it. Let's open it. Okay, here's the thing now open. Just to go you through here quickly. Here's the timer. If you can set it for like an hour. You'll see the contacts here. If you push it back, then it starts running. Contact is closed. It's like a spring-loaded mechanism. When it unwinds, and then it opens, or you may have to push it to the left-hand side to override this thing to let it run. So here's the speed of the three coils, and here's the capacitor, the starting capacitor. Here you see what you have here. This is the mechanism here, the safety mechanism. Oh, sorry. If you should, there's a little ball in here. If you drop it, let's rather take it out and make you understand how it works. You see here, there's a little ball there. When the fan drops on the side, then the boliki, the ball stop making contact. There's the two contacts there in the side. When it stands up normally, it runs. It's just a safety mechanism. But this is just, they put it in here. Should you maybe drop the fan, and then it will stop working. So you don't overheat the motor. Let's just put it back. Okay, see what's happening here. This is very sticky. You'll have to go and open here. Just open this. This normally goes the other way than the normal fastening. And it's go and take it out. Just put this thing away before it goes missing. So you already fixed the blade. The whole blade came off, and then it's unstable. Look how dirty, but don't worry, everybody's fans are dirty. Then what you do, you make little two holes in here. You burn holes, drill holes, put some needle and string, and you put some glue, and you reinforce that, and then the blade is good for, because it's of the centrifugal force, it normally breaks off. Then you need some centrifugal, but not something too heavy, otherwise it's unbalanced again. All right, so here's the motor. It's nice and sticky. Here's the bushes. We need to put some oil on that bushes, but you don't actually need oil. That is it is a copper compound. It forms its own lubrication. You're not, if you put oil in it, it accumulates dust, and then it gets sticky again. I'm just gonna firstly blow out all this dust, and then we're gonna go on further. Okay, I'm gonna take the motor off. You just unscrew this to 4 screws. Because I wanna split the motor and clean the bushes. Okay, here's the motor. See, here in the back is also a bush. In front also, we can go We can try and put some lubrication in there. And then we put some over here. See, that's it. Look, there's it going. What normally happens, there's sometimes hair and stuff accumulated, winds up there, then it forms a break, and then it breaks, breaking the shaft from turning. But this one looks fine. I don't have to split it. Let's put some more lubrication there. Then I know it will run for a while. Some more. That's it. Now we can put it back together again. Okay, I plugged it in. Let's just check. There's your speed control. Look how nice it runs. Here's a little thing here that you clutch. You can fasten and then this thing stop, or you can undo it and then it change the air direction a little bit. So here's the timer. It's off. Then you put it on 10 minutes and then it will sorry, you can see the timer. If you wind it up, it will run for 10 minutes, then until it stops, and there overrides it, and there's the speed. Okay, this was my story with the fan. Next time your fan gets stuck, you know how to fix it. Till next time, cheers.